Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Rachel Medeleon. I'm 37 years old. I am married with one child. She's 9 years old. I have two brothers, two sisters, and I am the third child. Living Bimunton, Malig, Sabela. I am high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have experience in Kuwait for 2 years. Finished contract. I served 9 person. One couple elderly, 4 children and 3 grandchildren. Ages is 4, 6 and 3 years old. I do all like cleaning, cooking, laundry and washing, and the main duty is taking care of the baby.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking and honest, responsible person.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am securing of the baby. When the baby is sick, I will check of the temperature, and the baby is sick, I will call off my employer.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. I have surgery for cesarean for 9 years ago.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work in abroad for my family and especially for my child for the future.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your child?
My mother-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and then I remind of myself I need this job.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep in 10 p.m. then I wake up 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and to calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to finish my contract and then I'm willing to extend if needed.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing nursery song?
The wheels on the bus, round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
There to my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. And I promise to your family, I serve all of my best.
Okay.